Hello viewers, hello students, hope you all are fine. In this video today we will discuss the various methods to keep a file inside a folder. So here you can see on the desktop I have a folder with the name F1 and I have an Excel file also. So now I will show you the first method by which you can keep a file inside a folder. So suppose I am going to open this MS Word file. I am double clicking on the file. So I will save this file inside this F1 folder located on the desktop. For that I will click on the file tab and then I will click on the save as option, and then I know that the F1 folder is located on the desktop, so I will double click on the desktop option and then again I will double click on the F1 folder. So you can see the F1 folder is visible at the top. Now you can see this file name is visible here in the file name box. I can change it to another name also, but I'm just keeping it the same. So if I click on the save button, this file will be saved inside this folder F1. So I'm clicking on the save button. Now I'm closing this file. Now I'm just checking it. So by double clicking on the folder, you can see this file has been saved inside this folder F1. So this is the first method by which we can keep a file inside any folder. The second method is, suppose I want to keep this file, this is an MS Excel file, inside this is an MS Excel file, I want to keep this MS Excel file inside this folder F1. So by dragging and dropping also I can keep this file. So you just place your mouse pointer on the file and then press the left mouse button, and by dragging and releasing the mouse, when you reach the folder you just release it, file will be moved to the folder F1. You can see this file has been moved to this folder. This is the second method, and you can also save a copy of a particular file inside any folder. Suppose I am going to keep a copy of this MS PowerPoint file inside this folder. For that you need to click on the file and Ctrl C and press Ctrl C from the keyboard. So I am pressing Ctrl C from the keyboard, and you just open the folder by double clicking on the folder and you just press Ctrl V from the keyboard. So this file has been copied to this folder and this file remains in its original place also. So duplicate copy of it has been pasted to this folder. Again, by using menu also you can save a copy of this file inside this folder. For that you just right click on the file, one menu will appear. This is called shortcut menu, and in this menu you just click on the option copy, and then you just right click on the folder, and then again from the menu on the shortcut menu you just click on the option paste. So it is asking the replace the file, because already with the same file we have inserted, so it is asking whether you want to replace the file in the destination. So if I replace it, then the previous file will be replaced with this new one. So I am going to click on this option, replace the file. So now you can see, double clicking on the folder, you can see this PowerPoint file has been copied to this folder. So I can show you by using a different file. Suppose this file I want to copy to this folder, a copy of this file by using the menu. So I will right click on the file and then copy, and then again right click on the folder and then paste. You can see this Acrobat Reader file has been copied to this folder. So these are the methods by which you can move a file to a folder, and you can bring a copy of a particular file to a particular folder. So that's all in this video. In the next video we will discuss some new topics. Till then, bye bye and take care.